Black leaf indoor plants bring bold elegance and dramatic beauty to any space. Their deep, rich foliage creates a stunning contrast with lighter decor, making them perfect statement houseplants. From velvety textures to glossy finishes, these unique plants add a modern, luxurious touch while enhancing indoor greenery. Discover the stunning blackleaf indoor plants that can transform your indoor space. Black Velvet Rex Begonia, Begonia rexcultorum Black Velvet. Black Velvet Rex Begonia is a stunning houseplant known for its deep, velvety foliage and dramatic dark appearance. Its leaves can appear almost black, often accented with subtle shades of burgundy, purple, or silver. The soft, textured leaves make this begonia a beautiful statement plant for indoor spaces. It prefers bright, indirect light, which helps maintain its rich coloration without scorching the delicate foliage. Keep the soil lightly moist but avoid overwatering, as excess moisture can cause root problems. Warm temperatures, moderate humidity, and good air circulation help this elegant begonia grow beautifully. Its luxurious appearance makes it perfect for adding drama and sophistication to any plant collection. Black Coral Elephant Ear, Colocasia esculenta Black Coral. Black coral elephant ear is a dramatic tropical plant admired for its large, dark, almost black leaves. Its glossy foliage creates a bold, luxurious look, making it an eye-catching addition to indoor spaces. The leaves can develop deep purple-black tones, especially under bright, indirect light. This plant loves warmth, humidity, and consistently moist but well-draining soil. Place it near a bright window while protecting it from harsh direct sunlight. With its impressive foliage and tropical appearance, black coral elephant ear can instantly become a striking statement plant in a living room, sunroom, or indoor plant collection. Black Magic Elephant Ear, Colocasia esculenta Black Magic. Looking for a houseplant with a dramatic tropical appearance? Black Magic Elephant Ear is a fantastic choice. This beautiful plant produces large, heart-shaped leaves that range from deep green and burgundy to striking purple-black shades. Its dark foliage can create a stunning contrast against bright interiors and colorful pots. It grows best in warm, humid conditions with bright, indirect light. Keep the soil evenly moist, but make sure excess water can drain away easily. Because of its impressive leaves and exotic appearance, Black Magic Elephant Ear can become a spectacular focal point in a living room, balcony, or indoor plant corner. Black Rose Aeonium, Aeonium arboreum Zwartkop. Black Rose Aeonium is a spectacular succulent admired for its dark, rosette-shaped foliage. Its leaves form large, elegant rosettes that can develop deep burgundy to almost black shades when exposed to plenty of sunlight. The darker the foliage becomes, the more dramatic and mysterious this plant looks. It prefers bright light and well-draining soil, making it relatively easy to care for indoors. Water only when the soil has dried out, as excessive moisture can lead to root problems. With its rose-like shape and striking dark color, Black Rose Aeonium makes a beautiful statement plant for sunny windowsills, shelves, and modern indoor plant displays. Anthurium Queen of Hearts. Queen of Hearts Anthurium is a stunning tropical houseplant admired for its large, heart-shaped leaves and elegant appearance. Its foliage can develop rich, deep green to dark tones, creating a luxurious and dramatic look indoors. The prominent veins add beautiful texture and make every leaf stand out. It prefers bright, indirect light, warm temperatures, and moderate to high humidity. Use a loose, well-draining potting mix and water when the top layer of soil begins to dry. Avoid keeping the roots constantly soggy. With its bold heart-shaped foliage and exotic character, Queen of Hearts Anthurium can become a spectacular centerpiece in any indoor plant collection. Black Velvet Alocasia, Alocasia reginula. Black velvet alocasia is a captivating indoor plant famous for its small, dark, velvety leaves and contrasting pale veins. The rich, almost black foliage gives this tropical beauty a mysterious and luxurious appearance. Unlike many large alocasias, it stays relatively compact, making it ideal for shelves, tables, and smaller indoor spaces. It prefers bright, indirect light, warm temperatures, and higher humidity. Water when the top layer of soil begins to dry, while avoiding soggy conditions. A well-draining, airy potting mix helps keep its roots healthy. With its dramatic foliage and compact growth, black velvet alocasia is a perfect choice for plant lovers who want something truly unique. Black Prince Echeveria, Echeveria Black Prince. Black Prince Echeveria looks almost like a dark flower carved from wax. This fascinating succulent forms a compact rosette of pointed leaves that develop deep burgundy, brown, and nearly black shades. Its dramatic color becomes more intense when the plant receives plenty of bright light. Unlike tropical houseplants, it prefers a drier environment and needs very little water. Allow the soil to dry completely before watering again, and always use a well-draining potting mix. Its small size makes it perfect for desks, windowsills, and decorative shelves. With its mysterious color and beautiful symmetrical shape, Black Prince Echeveria can add a unique Gothic touch to any indoor plant collection. Philodendron erubescens, Black Cardinal. Black Cardinal Philodendron is a dramatic foliage plant that changes its appearance as it grows. Its new leaves often emerge in rich burgundy or reddish shades before gradually maturing into deep green, chocolate, and almost black tones. This natural color transformation makes every new leaf exciting to watch. The plant prefers bright, indirect light, which helps maintain its deep coloration and healthy growth. Keep the soil slightly moist, but allow the upper layer to dry before watering again. Warm temperatures and moderate humidity are ideal. With its large, glossy leaves and evolving colors, Black Cardinal Philodendron brings a bold, sophisticated tropical feel to an indoor plant collection. Georginanthus, Georginanthus ciliatus. Georginanthus is a fascinating indoor plant known for its unusually dark, glossy foliage. Its broad, rounded leaves can display deep purple, almost black tones, often with a beautiful metallic sheen that catches the light. The undersides may show rich purple coloring, adding even more visual interest. Unlike many dark-leaved plants, Georginanthus prefers a humid environment and consistently moist soil, making it ideal for bathrooms or cozy indoor spaces. Give it bright, filtered light while avoiding harsh direct sunlight. With its unusual leaf shape, mysterious coloration, and tropical character, Georginanthus can instantly stand out from ordinary houseplants and become a fascinating centerpiece in any indoor collection. Burgundy rubber plant, Ficus elastica burgundy. Burgundy rubber plant is a bold and elegant houseplant admired for its large, glossy leaves in deep burgundy, wine, and almost black shades. Its dark foliage gives it a sophisticated appearance, while the broad leaves create a strong tropical presence indoors. This plant is also known for being relatively easy to grow, making it a great choice for beginners. Place it in bright, indirect light to encourage healthy growth and rich leaf color. Water when the upper layer of soil becomes dry, and avoid letting the roots sit in water. With its dramatic foliage and upright growth, burgundy rubber plant can instantly add a luxurious touch to any room. Raven ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamifolia, raven. The Raven ZZ plant has a mysterious beauty that makes it stand out from typical houseplants. Its new leaves emerge bright green and gradually transform into deep purple, burgundy, and almost black as they mature. This natural color change gives the plant a fascinating, ever-evolving appearance. Its thick stems and waxy leaves also help it tolerate periods of dryness, making it an excellent low-maintenance choice. Keep it in bright, indirect light for stronger growth and richer coloration, although it can tolerate lower light dew. Water sparingly and allow the soil to dry between waterings. With its dark, glossy foliage, Raven ZZ adds a striking modern touch to any indoor space. Dark Star Coleus, Coleus scutellarioides, Dark Star. Dark Star Coleus is a striking foliage plant that brings deep, dramatic color to indoor spaces. Its leaves can appear rich burgundy, maroon, and almost black, creating a bold contrast with brighter green houseplants. Unlike plants grown mainly for flowers, Coleus is treasured for its colorful leaves, which make the plant look decorative all year round. Give it bright, indirect light to help maintain its intense coloration and compact growth. Keep the soil lightly moist, but avoid waterlogging. Regularly pinching the growing tips can encourage a fuller, bushier shape. With its vivid dark foliage and fast-growing nature, Dark Star Coleus is an excellent choice for adding a dramatic splash of color to your indoor plant collection. Black Jewel Orchid, Ludicea discolor. Black Jewel Orchid is a unique orchid admired more for its luxurious foliage than its flowers. Its dark green to nearly black leaves are decorated with striking reddish or golden veins, giving them a jewel-like appearance. Unlike many orchids, it naturally grows along the forest floor, so it prefers indirect light rather than intense sunlight. Keep the growing medium lightly moist and provide good humidity without allowing water to remain around the roots. Its velvety leaves make it especially attractive in decorative pots and shaded indoor corners. When mature, it can also produce delicate white flowers on tall spikes, creating a beautiful contrast against its dark, patterned foliage.